This is what happens when you don't operate a gas turbine properly.
Do you know what makes airplanes fly and also produces electricity for cities? The answer is the same: gas turbines. They are very important in aviation, power generation, and many industries today.
The gas turbines are a type of internal combustion engine that transforms fuel into mechanical energy. In simple words, a gas turbine is a machine that takes in air, mixes it with fuel, burns it, and then uses the hot gases to spin a turbine and produce power.
Gas turbines work with the Brayton cycle. First, air enters the compressor and pressure increases. Then, in the combustion chamber, fuel burns with the compressed air and temperature rises a lot. Finally, the hot gases expand in the turbine and produce mechanical energy. We can measure the efficiency of a gas turbine with this first equation, where Wnet is the network and Qin is the heat input. This itself, the heat input, can be calculated with this second equation, which means subtracting the turbine inlet temperature minus the compressor outlet temperature and multiplying by the specific heat at constant pressure. This basically shows us how much energy we got out compared to the energy we put in. Now the net work can be calculated with this third equation, which means subtracting the compressor work from the turbine work. This shows us why the turbine must produce more energy than the compressor consumes. Finally, the total power output of an engine depends on this fourth equation, which means it depends on the mass flow of air through the engine multiplied by the work.
Gas turbines have many applications in the aviation, commercial airplanes, military jets and helicopters. In electricity they are used in power plants with simpler combined cycles. In transport and industry they work in ships, locomotives and oil and gas platforms. Gas turbines have many advantages. They are light for the power they give, they start quickly and they are reliable. So the future is clear. More efficient turbines that can work with hydrogen or clean fuels.
In conclusion, gas turbines compress air, burn fuel, expand gases, and produce power, which means they're fast, powerful, and essential for our world and our future.